Hello, my YouTube friends. I have a little unboxing here today. So it's not a very big box. It's not very heavy. Probably weigh about, I don't know, a pound, pound and a half. Let's see what's inside this bad boy. Alright. It's been a while since I did an unboxing. That's a good thing. That means I'm not spending money. And with a box this size, I'm not spending a lot of money. So let's crack her open. See what the audio gods have for me today. I hate that stuff. It's good for packaging, but it can leave a mess behind. So just like that. Let me clean this mess up. I'm gonna dig through this stuff. See what I have inside this box. Look at what. Door number 1, door number 2, or cash money. This is PX300B, 300B output tube, Gold Lion. That's what we have in this box. Alright, PX300B. You might ask, where is he going to put a PX300B? It's Gold Lion. It's from, as you can see by this label, Uncle Kevin, Upscale Audio in California. How many do I have? That's one. Not something else here. Voila! It's another Gold Lion PX300B output tube. Also from Upscale Audio, Uncle Kev. Alright. That should be it. 2 of them. I do not feel anymore. Alright, so the box was so light because it only contained 2 300B tubes, PX 300B. I'm going to try to spin this camera around and see what I'm putting these in. This amp that I'm going to install these in, I bought about a year ago. That's a Wilson R300B. And in my book, I feel a sneeze coming on. Excuse me for a minute. Yeah. Excuse me. In my book, this amp follow the best deal in audio. You can see that or not. So it's a Wilson R300B. They have the driver tubes, I think, in 6S and 7. Rectified tubes are 274Bs. Input tubes are Tungstol. I forgot the model number, but the output tubes are the 300Bs. This amp sounds great as is with the Wilson supplied 300Bs, but I'm going to upgrade them to the Gold Lions 300Bs. Alright, stay tuned. There's Sarge. Name of the channel is a Mix Match Stereo. I've been playing this down for the last 2 weeks. I bought this a year ago. It's only 8 watts. 8 watts per channel. And you may say 8 watts, that's not enough power to push anything. But the Fortes 4, the speakers in this setup, they're 99 dB. It's very efficient, and it takes very little power to push these speakers. You could do it with probably 2.5 watts. So these 8 watts on this system is unbelievable. You wouldn't believe, listen to this setup, that little amp, that little wattage could do this system justice, but believe me, it do. 8 watts is a heck of a lot of watts when you got a speaker that's 99 dB. Alright, so I'll do a video soon with the upgraded 300Bs. Alright, so stay tuned for that. If you like the content, give me a thumbs up. If you like the channel, think about subscribing to the channel. I greatly appreciate it. Alright, Sarge signing off. Once again, Sarge, USMC, name of the channel, Mix Match Stereo. Thank you.